Well, I guess this is going to be like that cash grab piece of series, Five Nights at Freddy's. Just a couple more nights. I mean, you're really starting to get to me, man. I mean, jeez. So what? So what if I killed your son? I mean, that's what we possessed animatronics do. Because for some reason, when children are murdered and they're put into animatronic suits, they become murderers. It makes so much sense, doesn't it? Oh, yeah! Okay, I literally cannot think of anything else to say. I'm going to be more active, as always. I really should stop telling you that every night because you basically know the drill. It's just... you, Sam.
Say hello to my little friend. Oh wait, that's me. Damn it.
Gotcha! A bloogie woogie woo, motherf***. Now this is the part where I drain power to make things very intense. I wish I could make things right. Look at me, I'm Foxy. Yiff the Fox! This pose is actually very uncomfortable, but I have the feeling it turns some people on. If you're one of those people, well, hello. Oh, I dropped my fidget spinner. Somebody help me? Gotcha! Now this is the part where I drain power to make things very intense. A bloogie woogie woo, motherf***. Don't touch my... Gotcha! Now this is the part where I drain power to make things very intense. Don't worry, don't touch my nose! No! If I stay in this pose for much longer, somebody's gonna ship me. Oh boy. Gotcha! Oh! Oh! Gotcha! A bloogie woogie woo, motherf***. Don't worry, don't touch my nose! No! I wish I could make things right. Gotcha! A bloogie woogie woo, motherf***. Don't worry, don't touch my nose! No! Oh, f***. That really hurt. Gotcha! Now this is the part where I drain power to make things very intense. Gotcha! Don't worry, don't. Last night I don't have to put up with your shit anymore, Sam. And this calls for a celebration. I have written down a few insults I would like to share with you right now. I hope you drown in a stagnant pool, you good-for-nothing. Yep, that was one. F you with a rake. Doesn't make sense, but it's pretty good. I will f you so brutally that your kitchen will reek for months. I don't know how I'll get the f out of this place, and I really don't want to f you, but yeah. Give me some credit, mate, come on. Surely we're friends by now. Oh yeah, and my last one. Suck a pound of putrid dicks. And that's basically it I got for now. And I'm so f***ing excited because I'll be able to take this f***ing censor off that's been f***ing bothering me for the past 5 f***ing nights. The censor will be gone tomorrow. I'll be able to do what I like because you'll f*** off. And yeah, let's end this, mate. If I stay in this pose for much longer, somebody's gonna ship me. Oh boy. If I stay in this pose for much longer, somebody's gonna ship me. Oh boy. If I stay in this pose for much longer, somebody's gonna ship me. Oh boy. If I stay in this pose for much longer, somebody's gonna ship me. Oh boy. I wish I could make things right. I wish I could make things right. This pose is actually very uncomfortable, but I have a feeling it turns some people on. If you're one of those people, well, hello. Come on. No. Damn it. Now this is the part where I drain power to make things very intense. Don't worry, don't touch my face, no! Now why are there multiple letters here? I might as well move them. Oh! Damn it! Damn it! Damn it! Son of a... Whoa! Oh! What the hell was that? Now this is the part where I drain power to make things very intense. Oh! If I stay in this pose for much longer, somebody's gonna ship me. Oh boy. A bloogie woogie. Last night I don't have to put up with your shit anymore, Sam. And this calls for a celebration. I have written down a few insults I would like to share with you right now. I I hope you drown in a stagnant pool, you good-for-nothing. Yep, that was one. You with a rat. Doesn't make sense, but it's pretty good. I will f*** you so brutally that your kitchen will reek for months. I don't know how I'll get the f*** out of this place, and I really don't want to f*** you, but yeah, give me some credit, mate. Come on. Surely we're friends now. Oh yeah, and my last one. Suck a pound of putrid dicks. And that's basically it I got for now. And I'm so f***ing excited because I'll be able to take this f***ing censor off that's been f***ing bothering me for the past 5 f***ing nights. The censor will be gone tomorrow. I'll be able to do what I like because you'll f*** off. And yeah, let's end this, mate. Scared ya? A bloogie woogie woo, motherf***. This pose is actually very uncomfortable, but I have the feeling it turns some people on. If you're one of those people, well, hello. Now this is the part where I drain power to make things very intense. Now this is the part where I drain power to make things very intense. Scared ya? A bloogie woogie woo, motherf***. God, you don't touch my toes! No! Why do people do this again? Why the hell am I holding this chair? Oh, I must be autistic. A bloogie woogie woo, motherf***. part where I drain power to make things very intense. And now the torture comes to an end. I get to take my sensor off and go on with my life, and you get to fuck off and go on with your life. So, let's end it right here. Catch you later, mate. Oh, and if you come back, you will be sorry.